ready to transform your real estate investment chaos into streamlined success. First, create a new project in Asana called something like Real Estate Deals, and choose the board layout to visualize your deals as they move through different stages. Each column represents a phase in your real estate transaction workflow, from initial lead to post-closing activities. Now, add tasks to the lead column for each potential deal, like 123 Main Street tax lien or 456 Oak Avenue deed investment. Include key details in the task description, such as the property address, lien amount, estimated value, and source of the lead. Next, assign the task to the appropriate team member and set a due date to keep things on track. This is crucial for accountability. Add custom fields like property type, investment type, and estimated ROI to capture deal-specific information and easily filter and sort your projects. Create subtasks within each deal to manage due diligence. For example, under 123 Main Street, you might have subtasks for title search, property inspection, and tax records review. Assign these subtasks to specific team members and set deadlines. Automate your workflow by creating rules. For example, set up a rule that automatically moves a deal to the negotiation column when all due diligence subtasks are marked complete. This saves time and ensures no step is missed. Use the calendar view to visualize upcoming deadlines and ensure you're meeting critical milestones. This helps you proactively manage your time and prioritize your tasks effectively. Finally, leverage Asana's reporting features to track your progress, identify bottlenecks, and gain insights into your overall real estate investment performance. Understanding these metrics helps you refine your process and maximize your returns. That's how you can use Asana to supercharge your real estate, tax lien, and deed investing. Remember to tailor these steps to your specific needs and investment strategies.